everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video we're going to be creating feline eyes, fox eye or cat eyes. This eye makeup gives you that hypnotic sexy eyes and it suits everyone no matter what the shape of your eyes are, because it instantly gives you an eye lift and elongates your eyes. So let's get right into the video. So I've already done my face makeup because in this video we're only going to be focusing on the eyes. I've also concealed my eyelids and set it with a loose powder. I'm using a tape holding it parallel to my eyebrows and taping it right under my lower lash line. I usually don't do this for my other eye makeup, but for today I need my eyeliner to be sharp, edgy and definitive. So if you follow this tip, you'll not have to worry about the shape of your winged eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going in with the shade called Passion and applying it all over my lids. I'm using the Revolution Pro palette. And then I'm taking two shades called Influence and Lust and applying right above my lash line, very close to my lash line, and just winging it outwards. Now take a blending brush and just blend it all together. I'm using my Lakme liquid eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner of your choice. Applying it very close to my waterline. Also dragging it down a bit to give that foxy eyes. You can thicken the eyeliner as you move outwards. And there it is. You can build up the wing if you want to. If you want it more longer, you can definitely do so after getting this basic shape going on. I'm going to leave it at this. I'm mostly going to be lifting my brows upwards. I'll not be applying kajal because that will make my eyes look round. I don't want a round look today. I want my eyes to have that fox kind of a shape, that olive shape to it. So I'm gonna take the sugar gel eyeliner and apply it only on the inner corner of my eyes to give that V shape. That's it. And take a small pencil brush and just smudge it into my waterline. Applying my L'Oreal mascara. This mascara really gives me very long lashes, so I'm not going to apply any falsies today. Applying the MAC highlighter, soft and gentle. For lipstick, I'm using 2 shades of Sugar. The first one is Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade Buffy Summers. And then their lipstick, Longwear Lipstick in the shade Beige Turner.
Thank you for watching you all. Please don't forget to subscribe before leaving and also give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys in my next vlog.